There's more news about red tides on October the 16th, 2015.
Well, for the last couple of weeks, sneezing and coughing has been all too common near the bays and beaches of northwest Florida as a result of red tide.
As News Channel 7's Tyler Allender tells us, the fish are also feeling the bite from this case of red tide.
Small pinfish, huge flounder. It just breaks your heart to see them go to waste. Redfish, mullet.
Those are just some examples of the dead fish Panama City residents have found in the bay near Panama City Marina this week as a result of red tide.
It can affect marine life. There's obviously fish kills that can happen from the neurotoxins.
While symptoms for us are usually minor, red tide can still be a nuisance.
It can cause skin irritation if people are in the water, and it can also cause respiratory irritation as well.
Once I'm here for a couple of hours, I kind of taste it in your mouth, and you definitely feel it's like an irritant in your lungs. But I feel like I'm a healthy guy, and I can tell there's something going on.
Even the birds aren't happy.
I've never seen so many seagulls in my life congregated here, and you'll see them swoop down, pick up a fish, fly a little ways, and drop it.
Many people say this fish kill from red tide is the worst they've seen it away from the Gulf, including the legendary Red Holland.
I can't even pronounce the scientific name for it, but it's the first time we've experienced this red tide right there at the downtown city marina.
Hopefully this is towards the end of this bloom.